Welcome back, but before we get into the video, make sure you like and subscribe and help us get to 1,000 subscribers so we can start doing giveaways for y'all. Now, let's get into the video. Deep learning is an artificial function that imitates the workings of the human brain in processing data and creating patterns for use in decision making. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning and artificial intelligence that has networks capable of learning unsupervised from data that is unstructured or unlabeled, also known as deep neural learning or deep neural networks. Deep learning has evolved hand in hand with the digital era, which has brought about an explosives of data in all forms and from every region of the world. An example of deep learning is automated driving. Automated researchers are using deep learning to automatically detect objects such as a stop sign, traffic lights. In addition, deep learning is used to detect pedestrians, which helps decrease accidents. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning concerned with algorithms inspired by structure and function of the human brain called artificial neural networks. While classic machine learning algorithms solve many problems that rule-based programs struggle with, they are poor at dealing with soft data such as images, videos, sound files, and unstructured text. So that's why they're trying to get better at recognizing images or videos, or for instance, like stop signs when I talk about the automotive industry. If you like this topic, make sure you like and subscribe so we can know what type of topics to talk about. See ya.